A ruling party and the President of the Senate are losing their minds over a light-hearted radio poll while Zimbabwe collapses under maternal deaths, unemployment, power cuts, and a broken health system. That is not leadership. It is insecurity dressed as authority, and it is an international embarrassment. Mabel Chinomona is an ultimate embarrassment to Zimbabwe, including ZANU-PF. How can the President of the Senate of an entire country involve herself in a radio station's fun poll about Person of the Year while more than 2,500 women are dying during childbirth? The biggest hospital has only one maternity theater. The whole country has no single working radiotherapy cancer treatment machine. Unemployment stands at over 90%. Citizens receive only 2 to 4 hours of electricity per day. And the country is facing an open succession war. She is determined to embarrass not only the country, but also her boss, who is the country's president, by publicly fighting over a radio station poll. This is political and media illiteracy of the highest order. ZIFM is a youth radio station. Its audience is largely young and unemployed people. It is therefore natural that its listeners would relate to and support Fadzai Mahir, a young lawyer they see as speaking to their lived realities and struggles. This woman should have some shame, and focus on statecraft, not radio polls. For the president of a country's senate to threaten a radio presenter with persecution over a light-hearted poll is a new low for Zimbabwe. It reflects a complete lack of emotional intelligence, a deep misunderstanding of media and youth culture, and political bankruptcy. Shame on her. For the avoidance of doubt, I had not seen her tweet. A regional foreign affairs minister asked me what is going on. She must stop this childish 4-year-old behavior. She has sunk from the gutter into the sewer. She is internationalizing her lack of common sense and embarrassing herself on a global stage. A whole ruling party getting hot under the collar over a fun radio poll? Shame on them. To quote Fadzai Mahir, Zimbabwe needs new and mature leaders, not skunks like her.